Alright, so I'm going to do a quick look inside this Lenovo Legion Y545, okay? Model name 81Q6. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove the screws from the bottom. You can leave these 2 screws in, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, just remove those 11 screws. Keep them in order because they are different size, shapes, and lengths. These ones are shorter, as well as these, and then these screws are longer, but it's always a good idea to put back the same screws where you got them. Alright, once you do that, you're going to want to get between the little gap here of this piece. So I just use my fingernails. You can use a little pry tool or whatever, but I get in between that, and then I use my thumb on the back to push while I kind of pull with my fingernails. Okay, just like this. Go across, go all the way around. So here you can see the clips are popping. And then you just go all the way around. Same thing with this side. Okay. Just like that. I might have forgotten to turn off my notifications, so hopefully it's not going to start beeping. Alright, once you got the sides and the front out, you can lift this up and you can wiggle this out. And here you go. That's how you remove the bottom cover. So I already disconnected the hard drive here, but I'm going to put it back. So has these little tabs. You just flip this latch up and then you can pull it out. I'm just going to put it back. Okay, so this is having some booting issues. It might either be the SSD here failed, so there's an M.2 SSD under here. You don't want to get this pad too dirty. This is an M.2 looks like a SATA SSD, but let me see here. 512 gigs. They didn't mark it on here if it's a SATA or NVMe. It says PCIe Gen 3. So this is probably a NVMe because it says PCIe. Okay, so this should support M.2 PCIe NVMe SSDs. I don't know why that pad was all crooked, but if you want to remove that, there's the one screw. You can lift it out. I'm not going to take all of that out, but anyways, there's this USB. Oops, this USB port is removable. Wireless card, speaker connector here. Battery connectors under here, you just grab it, wiggle it, and pull it out. And then we got the RAM under here. So I don't want to take all of this out because it is held in place with adhesive. There's 2 slots. I'm just going to take out one. And this is 8 gigs PC4 2666V. So if you need to replace that or upgrade it, you can. You can get up to the largest size stick you can get. Just make sure it's PC4 2666V. Alright, clip that back in place. If you want to see better how to remove these components, you can watch my other videos. For most of the laptops, they're very similar. But yeah, that's just a quick look inside. I'm going to put it back together. CPU, GPU are soldered, and you got the big heatsink here with 2 fans. But I'm going to put it back together because it's seeming like it's either a software issue or this SSD went bad. So anyways, to put this back, just get the top part. There's these little things that stick out. You want to put it at an angle, slide it in. Alright, and then just drop it back down, push the clips back in place. Okay, and then just make sure that you get all these clips back in. But that's pretty much all there is for this quick look inside. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, like and subscribe, help others find my videos. This one was just more to show what's upgradable inside. And we're just going to put the screws back. So I'm going to have to check for the software issue, but hopefully I can figure that out, and hopefully it's not the SSD. So we'll fix this. Put these screws back. Alright. That's pretty much all there is that I'm going to show. Getting lots of messages. Alright, so again, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, like, subscribe, help others find my videos. Hopefully they'll be able to use this video to upgrade their computer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm just going to put back the rest of these screws. Alright. Catch you later. Bye.